What if the supplements you take to build muscle are actually the reason you're losing it? Every night, while you're asleep, your body goes into overdrive, rebuilding muscle fibers, repairing tiny tears, and releasing the hormones that make you stronger. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., that process is at its peak. But here's the twist. If you're taking the wrong vitamins at the wrong time, you could be shutting that process down without even realizing it. Think about it. You train hard, you eat right, and before bed, you pop a few healthy pills, a multivitamin, maybe some vitamin C or a B complex. It feels like the smart move. But what if those choices were quietly blocking your growth hormone, spiking cortisol, and interrupting the deep sleep your muscles need most? What if every single night, instead of helping your recovery, you're hitting the brakes on it? Here's the truth most people never hear. Muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow after the gym while you sleep. That's when your body releases growth hormone, repairs the damage from your workout, and turns effort into results. But all of that depends on timing. The good news? There are 4 specific vitamins that can transform your body into a muscle rebuilding machine. If you take them at night, they help you recover faster, sleep deeper, and wake up stronger. But there are also 2 healthy vitamins that can destroy that progress if you take them before bed. So before you grab your supplement stack tonight, listen closely, because this might change the way you train, sleep, and recover forever. If there's one supplement you absolutely need at night, it's this one. Magnesium glycinate isn't just helpful, it's essential. It's the mineral that powers every muscle contraction, fuels recovery, and triggers deep, restorative sleep. Without it, your body can't perform the most basic repair work that happens while you rest. Here's what most people don't realize. Magnesium levels drop naturally at night, right when your muscles are trying to rebuild. If your levels are low, your recovery stalls, protein synthesis slows down, your energy production tanks, and deep sleep becomes harder to reach. That's a triple hit to your muscle growth, but not all magnesium is created equal. Most people grab the cheap stuff, magnesium oxide or citrate, and then wonder why their stomach feels off or why they're not sleeping any better. Magnesium glycinate is different. It's bound to glycine, an amino acid that actually calms your nervous system and helps your body fall into deeper sleep. That means smoother recovery, less soreness, and a better hormonal environment for muscle growth. And the glycine itself? That's another secret weapon. It's a key part of collagen, the stuff that holds your connective tissue together, and it helps lower your core body temperature, which your body needs to enter deep sleep. Better sleep equals more growth hormone. More growth hormone equals more muscle. It's not magic, it's biology. Here's the kicker. Studies show that up to 70% of adults are deficient in magnesium, especially people over 40. And if you're waking up sore, stiff, or feeling like you aged 10 years overnight, that might be the reason. Fixing that deficiency, just by taking magnesium glycinate before bed, can completely change the way your body feels in the morning. You wake up more rested, less sore, and more ready to train again. So if you've been feeling stuck, this might be the missing piece. But magnesium alone can't do it all, because the next vitamin most people get wrong is the one that actually controls your muscles' repair signal. And the time you take it could be the difference between growth and wasting all your effort. Most people take vitamin D3 in the morning because it's called the sunshine vitamin, right? But here's the catch. Your muscles don't care about the sunshine, they care about timing. And the timing most people choose is completely wrong. See, your muscles have vitamin D receptors, little locks that D3 fits into. Those receptors are most active at night when your body's repairing and rebuilding. That means if you take D3 in the morning, it's basically clocking in for work when your muscles are off the clock. But D3 has a partner, and without it, the whole system breaks down. That partner is vitamin K2. D3 pulls calcium into your bloodstream, but K2 decides where that calcium goes. Without K2, calcium can end up in your arteries or joints, not in your bones or muscle tissue, where it actually helps you stay strong. Think of K2 as the traffic cop, directing calcium exactly where it should go. Together, D3 and K2 create something powerful, especially when taken at night. D3 enhances deep sleep by helping regulate melatonin, while K2 ensures that calcium goes to your bones and muscles, not your arteries. That's real synergy, turning your hours of sleep into hours of repair. And here's a secret most people don't know. Taking D3 in the morning can actually suppress melatonin at night. So even if you get 8 hours of sleep, your recovery quality drops. Less deep sleep means less growth hormone. Less growth hormone means slower muscle repair. The fix is simple. Take D3 and K2 together with your evening meal, ideally 2 or 3 hours before bed, and always with a little healthy fat for better absorption. This single shift can lead to deeper sleep, stronger recovery, and higher testosterone levels overnight. So, if you've been doing everything right but still feel like your progress has stalled, this might be why. And speaking of underrated heroes, the next mineral barely gets any attention. But without it, your body can't even turn food into muscle. If magnesium and vitamin D are the foundation, zinc is the spark that makes everything happen. It's the mineral your body uses to repair muscle fibers, rebuild protein, and even trigger testosterone production. Without it, recovery slows down, no matter how clean you eat or how well you train. But here's the problem. Zinc is one of the most common deficiencies in active adults. Every time you sweat, you lose zinc. Every hard workout drains more of it. And if you're eating less red meat or following a plant-heavy diet, you're likely not replacing what's lost. That's when you start feeling sluggish, sore, and weaker with every session. The classic signs of low zinc. The best form? Zinc picolinate. It's highly bioavailable, meaning your body actually absorbs it instead of flushing it out. Other forms, zinc gluconate or oxide, mostly pass right through you. So if you've ever taken zinc and felt no difference, it's probably because it wasn't the right type. At night, zinc plays another key role. It helps your body release growth hormone while you sleep. That's the same hormone elite athletes spend fortunes trying to boost naturally. When your zinc levels are optimal, your body can hit that recovery switch on its own. Better hormone balance, faster repair, deeper sleep, all from one mineral most people overlook. And here's something wild. Zinc actually boosts magnesium absorption, meaning when you combine the two, they work even better. That's why many advanced lifters take a combo of zinc picolinate and magnesium glycinate before bed. It's a synergy that amplifies both recovery and muscle growth. So if you're tired of feeling sore for days or waking up with zero strength, this is the mineral to fix first. But the next vitamin? It's the one that separates people who recover well from those who never stop feeling exhausted. Everyone talks about protein for recovery, but nobody talks about the vitamins that make protein work. That's where the B vitamins come in, especially B6, B12, and folate. Without them, your body can't convert protein, carbs, or fats into usable energy, or repair the muscle damage caused by training. Think of B vitamins like the spark plugs of your metabolism. They don't build muscle directly, but they make sure your engine runs smoothly enough to do it. And if even one of them is low, your energy tanks, your recovery slows, and your progress starts to stall. But here's what most people miss: the timing. Taking your B complex at night might sound strange. After all, energy and sleep don't seem like a good mix, right? Except it's not that simple. Your body actually uses B vitamins during deep sleep to rebuild tissue and repair your nervous system, especially after intense training. When you skip them, your recovery cycle never fully completes, and it gets even better. Vitamin B6 helps your brain produce serotonin and melatonin, the chemicals that control your sleep-wake cycle. That means the right dose at night can actually enhance deep sleep, not disrupt it. You fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed instead of groggy. One more benefit: vitamin B12 supports red blood cell production, which carries oxygen to your muscles. More oxygen means less fatigue, faster recovery, and better endurance. It's one of the hidden reasons some athletes seem to recover twice as fast as others. Their cells are literally better fueled. So if you've been feeling drained after workouts or your strength isn't bouncing back the next day, your B vitamins might be the silent culprit. Fixing that can completely change your energy levels, both in the gym and when you wake up the next morning. But here's where it gets tricky. Not every supplement helps you recover. In fact, a few popular ones can interfere with muscle growth if taken at the wrong time. Let's talk about those next. So far, we've talked about the nutrients that supercharge your recovery. But here's the twist. Some of the most popular vitamins can actually work against you if you take them before bed. And these are the ones most people never think twice about. First one, vitamin C. Everyone knows it as the immune booster, but what most people don't realize is that vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, and that's not always a good thing. When you train hard, your body creates small amounts of oxidative stress. That stress is actually what triggers muscle growth and adaptation. If you take large doses of vitamin C right after training or before bed, you're basically shutting down your body's natural recovery signal. You feel less sore, sure, but you also grow less. In short, taking vitamin C too close to bedtime can blunt your gains. The second one, vitamin E. It's another strong antioxidant, and just like vitamin C, it can interfere with your muscles' repair cycle. In fact, studies show that combining C and E supplements after workouts reduces muscle strength gains by up to 20%. That's huge. Your body needs a little inflammation to build muscle. Antioxidants taken at the wrong time can block that process completely. Now, to be clear, vitamin C and E are still important. They protect your cells, support your immune system, and help your body handle stress. Just don't take them at night. Morning or midday is ideal when your body's not in its deep repair phase. So if you've been taking your nightly multivitamin thinking it's helping your recovery, you might have been doing the exact opposite. Swap your timing, and you'll instantly notice better sleep, better recovery, and faster progress. Because here's the truth. Optimizing recovery isn't about taking more supplements. It's about taking the right ones at the right time. And when you combine that with smart training and sleep, your body transforms faster than you thought possible. The difference between slow recovery and real muscle growth isn't just what you take, it's when you take it. Magnesium, glycinate, D3 plus K2, zinc, and B vitamins give your body what it needs when it counts most, while you sleep. Avoid C and E at night, and you'll wake up stronger, not slower. If you're serious about rebuilding muscle faster, start fixing your nighttime routine tonight. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe because the next video dives into the morning supplement mistakes that could be holding you back.